Just wanted to show a quick little update on some potatoes. These are starting to brown off. We've been cutting the blooms out of them to try to put more energy into the tubers. And I'm going to take this bed up. This was planted in March. These are a red potato, and I've got more of them. But in this little about 2x2 area, that's how many potatoes right now that we've picked or harvested. And we've still got a few small ones left in here yet to take out, and we've got more potatoes to plant. This is only about 12 inches high, and like I said, these were planted about mid-March. I'll have to look at the date, but they've done very, very well. Okay, we've got this bed harvested, and we went ahead and harvested one of the 4x4 beds. And out of these 3 beds, a little 2x4, about a 2x4, about a 4x4, we've got a good almost full 5-gallon bucket and a partial. And now 2 of these beds were left as a trial, strictly with about 6 inches of growing area, and we kept them watered. This one was raised to about 12 inches and remulched. The potatoes actually out of the 6-inch 4x4 were more numerous. Some were about the same size as the other 2 beds, but all of this was a couple bags of topsoil from a big box store, a couple bags of humus manure mix. We planted the potatoes, then we went over them with a couple more bags of both those and a layer of rabbit manure, and then a little bit of straw. These beds were strictly square foot gardening mix with some rabbit manure mixed in. This bed had straw added on top of it, but not a bad yield. Like I said, for ones that had been froze back down to nothing, this 4x4 bed actually was nipped real hard, and they've actually came back out real well. This is another one that I'm going to go back and raise this one as a trial, as with the other 4 I've got here. Pardon the weeds. But these were later planted, so we'll go back and raise these and leave these alone. The containers, I'm going to add some more soil and mulch in these containers. I did all my potatoes in containers last year, and the heat here is a little bit of an issue. Had hoped that maybe with a different route this year they would do better, so these will be a late harvest. I won't mess with these